Mastering body language, nonverbal communication in formal farewells. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English communication that goes beyond words. It's all about body language and how we use it in formal farewells. We'll explore the various nonverbal cues that you can use to express respect, warmth, and politeness even as you say goodbye. Eye contact is a powerful tool in communication. In formal farewells, it's vital to maintain appropriate eye contact to show your interest and respect. However, there's a fine line between engaging eye contact and staring. Remember, our goal is to communicate sincerity and respect, not discomfort. Your posture communicates a lot about your feelings and intentions. Stand tall, with your shoulders back and your head held high. This indicates confidence and respect towards the person you are saying goodbye to. Slouching or drooping your head might be perceived as lack of interest or respect. Handshakes are common in formal farewells. Ensure your handshake is firm, but not overpowering. This shows confidence and respect. If a handshake isn't possible or appropriate, a small wave or a nod can also serve as a respectful farewell gesture. Your face expresses a multitude of emotions. Even during a formal farewell, let your face show warmth and positivity. A polite smile goes a long way in making the other person feel appreciated. However, it's important to keep the smile genuine and not forced. Respect for personal space is paramount in formal settings. During your farewell, maintain an appropriate distance. This distance can depend on cultural norms, but generally, an arm's length distance is considered acceptable and respectful. And that's a wrap on body language in formal farewells. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. With these tips, you can communicate respect, warmth, and politeness even without saying a word. We hope this video has been enlightening and helpful. Until next time, happy learning and good luck with your English language journey.